Stop. Put down that sandwich and look at your wallet. Did you know that while you're sleeping, a silent thief is sneaking into your den and stealing your hard-earned honey? No, it's not a raccoon. It's something much scarier. It's called inflation. 10 years ago, 10 leaves could buy you a whole salmon feast. Today, you're lucky if you get a few fish scales. I am the Grizzly, and today, we're breaking down the complex world of economics, using nothing but honey, leaves, and common sense. Let's get into the gains. First, you need to understand value. In this forest, we use leaves as money. Why? Because the Forest Council says so. Now imagine I have the only jar of golden honey in the entire North Woods. It's rare, it's delicious. Every bear wants it, because it's rare. I can demand 100 leaves for it, that's value. But if 1,000 jars of golden honey suddenly appear, honey becomes common, it's everywhere. If I still ask for 100 leaves, the other bears will laugh at me. They'll offer me 1 leaf. Lesson 1. When something becomes too common, its value drops, and that applies to the leaves in your pocket. There are 3 ways the price of your honey goes up. Number 1. The demand pull. Spring arrives. Every bear wakes up starving. They all rush to the honey shop at once, but there are only 10 jars. Too many paws, chasing too few jars. So the beekeeper raises the price. That is demand pull inflation. Number 2. The cost push. A massive storm hits the forest. It destroys the flowers. Now it costs more to make the same jar of honey. To keep his profit, the beekeeper pushes that cost onto you. 10 leaves becomes 20. That is cost push inflation. Number 3. The printing press. This is the most dangerous one. Imagine the Forest Council prints trillions of new green leaves and drops them from the sky. Everyone feels rich. But the beekeeper isn't stupid. He sees everyone has more leaves, so he raises the price. Now 1 jar costs 1 million leaves. You have more leaves, but you're not richer. You're just carrying more paper. When printing goes out of control, that's hyperinflation. Money becomes worthless. The system breaks. And the bears who saved leaves? They lose everything. So how do you protect your honey? Don't just hoard leaves. Leaves lose value. Smart bears invest. They buy the beehives. They buy the land. They buy the golden pine cones. If you own the hive, you don't fear rising prices because you are the one selling it. The forest is tough, but it rewards the prepared. Don't be a victim. Be the bear that owns the system. If you want more Grizzly gains, join the den. Stay hungry, but stay smart. Grizzly. Out.